Do we have a beautiful home for you here in sunny New Mexico? You want to see a beautiful home in a really nice community neighborhood here on Las Cruces? Then stick around. You have beautiful features of this home that I know you're gonna like. So let's go after it right now. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go inside this beautiful home. All right, guys, so as soon as we come in, this is what we see. I love the paint on this too. See that, the doors? Beautiful paint job. Hey guys, my name is Cesar, my wife is Tanya, and if you're thinking of moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico, this is when. Why? It's a buyer's market, guys. Let us help you represent you. Whether you're looking for a new home in Las Cruces, New Mexico, or a home in a well-established neighborhood like this one, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. We can get on a Zoom call so we can meet you all, okay? You know, maybe your sofa or your recliners, you need power. So there they are. Now guys, the fact is that we do have beautiful homes out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And it's still considered an affordable city. And a lot of people come out here to retire. We don't have many retirement communities. And the reason is because there's a lot of retirees and they live anywhere they like in Las Cruces that they like the area. So in reality, Las Cruces is considered a retirement city. If you guys are moving out to Las Cruces, we do a lot for our clients, and we understand that you guys are coming from, you know, different places, and we're your eyes and ears, recommend inspections. I'm here to do all that for you so you don't have to stress. Go and see our Google reviews so you guys can read up on them, and that way you guys can see that we're here to take care of you. Hey guys, if you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you guys can be the first to know about the market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya, and we would love to help you. This is a zero lot line. I'm going to show you what that means. A lot of people don't know about zero lot lines. This is what I mean by zero lot line. This is actually the neighbor's house. There are rules. You can't plant anything so close to it within a certain amount, because if they need to do any kind of work, then they need to come and access it and do the work they need to do. All right, guys, let me tell you the price of the home. The price of the home is $497,000. That's what it's listed for. Built in 2013, good size home in a gated community. It does have an HOA. The HOA is only $550 a year. Yeah, very low out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. You don't have to deal with snow. You don't have to deal with humidity. You don't have to deal with tornadoes or hurricanes. There is an elementary close by. One of my nephews did go there at one time, right? So if you guys have any questions, any concerns, please feel free. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Let's go to the truck.